My name is Linda, and I have lived in this house about 30 years. I work at the hospital. I've worked there for about 42 years now. I came to Calgary when I was like 18 years old, and I've been here ever since, and this is my home now. I have 3 kids, all wonderful kids, very kind, very generous. Okay. Yeah. When I moved in, it's been about close to 30 years now. I was pregnant with my second child, Brittany, and not too much has been done with it, really. I mean, I tried to do my best, but I've been a single mom for a very long time, and
you've done good.
It's been challenging, and because you try to do things for your kids, but it's kind of hard. But I mean, I've had a good job, steady job, and I think my kids turned out wonderfully. And I can't say enough about my kids. I mean, they've always been there for me, and I've tried to be, there for them, even though they haven't moved out for a very long time.
Because she was so good to us.
Yeah, and there's a lot of things to be done in this house. I wish I could fix it a lot more. Things are breaking down, but it's always the emergency funds that you need for other things. So, it was getting the furnace is, I've been trying to get a new furnace for I don't know how many years. And I mean, when Jenna told me, she kind of told me I was in a contest, but I just, okay, I never really, thought about what was going on. And then when Jeff called me and I said, oh my God, I said, oh, that's wonderful. And he has just been the most kindest guy. Like really, he's just so down to earth, and he's very compassionate, and there's nothing that he can't do for you. Yeah. And one of his employees made me a flower, which was kind of cute. And like everyone that's been here has been so nice, and just they can't do enough for you.
It's almost and
like
they're acting like
I don't even want them to leave now, because they're all here just doing little things, coming in and say hi and hello and how you doing, and it's just a wonderful company. And I would encourage anyone who needs a furnace to call these people, because they're just unbelievable, really. So Jeff called me and he goes, Linda, you've been one of the contestants in this Arpi's. I said, at first I didn't really click in at first, and I said, and then he explained it to me, and I said, oh my God, I said, that's wonderful. My daughter put in a letter, and
yeah, you forgot, and then he was
and I forgot that if this was even happening. Like I said, when Jenna told me she entered a contest, I really didn't know what kind, because I never really listened very.
Yeah, so yes, every year.
And you can sure feel the love. Honestly, it's like it's just unbelievable, really. Like I say, I can't say enough for the employees, and I mean, Jeff has been like just an angel, really. He's the kindest person I've ever met, honestly. So I mean, they came in and started cleaning my yard and my windows, and it's just been amazing experience. Yes, I didn't even realize it was just a volunteer, and there was like 21 people or something that showed up, and they're doing a little barbecue, and like it's just wonderful. Like I said, it would be hard to have them leave, So, and I can't thank them enough. The Arpi's team, I think, is wonderful. They all come together as a team. They came in to install my furnace, which was donated from the Lennox company, which I thank them very much as well. But everyone came together, and we've been having a wonderful time together. I don't know what else to say, but thank you, and I appreciate it so much to Arpi's and to the Lennox for the combination of them putting this together for me.